Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work as we had to replace the hoses of the machine itself. This is coming from the flow meter, and as you can see, we see some discoloration and some kind of yellowing of the tube itself. Same with over here on these beautiful hoses. We also had to replace all of them in this machine, and after that we did tune up on this machine as well. We descaled the brew boiler, and we also descaled the steamer boiler, cleaned the portafilter, and replaced the gasket of the brew head as well. So yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. Then we're gonna be running the hot water and then the steam. Now we're using our Lelit Bianca grind, so hopefully it's not too fine for this machine. Our Lelit Bianca has a rotary pump. This one has a vibratory pump, so it might take a bit for the shot to actually brew completely. But we might see some coffee barely dripping just like that, and that's because we're using a very fine grind. For this machine, it needs to be just slightly coarser than the grind that we're using, so that way it flows perfectly and you can have that beautiful shot of espresso. This one is going to be a little bit over extracted. As you can see, the flow rate is not the best, so we're gonna still have a little bit of crema, but it's not going to be it's gonna be a bitter shot. As you can see, there's no leaks coming out from the portafilter itself, no leaks coming out from the gasket or anything like that. Machine is pressurizing properly and is keeping up as well. We're getting a nice set of crema coming out from there, and it's looking good. Alright, so I'm going to stop it over here because we're pushing the machine a bit more, and I don't want to make a very over extracted shot. You can see the crema of the shot looking really good. Nice shot of espresso. Now we can test the steamer. As you can see, steaming properly, excellent pressure. And the hot water, we're also going to be testing that. Nice steady stream coming out from the one itself. Machine is filling up as well. We're gonna stop it, and there you have it. Rancilio Pro X working once again and ready to brew, and with new hoses that are not yellowy or discolored. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.